Good morning, Honorable SSRs and my dear friends. Today, I would like to speak on the topic cyber warfare, which is emerged as one of the most significant security challenges in 21st century. Unlike traditional warfare fought on land, sea, or air, cyber warfare is conducted in the digital domain through computers, networks, and information systems. Cyber warfare involves the use of technology to disrupt, damage, or gain unauthorized access to another nation's critical infrastructure. This may include attack on power grids, banking system, communication network, defense installments, and government databases. Such attacks can paralyze the nation without firing a single bullet, making cyber warfare a silent but powerful threat. In today's interconnected world, countries are highly dependent on digital systems for governance, defense, and economic activities. As a result, cybersecurity has become a crucial component of national security. Space sponsored hacking, data theft, espionage, and misinformation campaigns are important examples of cyber warfare tactics. These actions can compromise sensitive information, create panic, and weaken public trust in institutions. India, being one of the fastest growing digital economies, faces increasing cyber threats. With initiatives like Digital India and expanding online services, protecting cyber infrastructure has become essential. India has established organizations such as CERT-in and National Cybersecurity Police to strengthen cyber defense mechanism. One major challenge in cyber warfare is identifying the source of an attack. Unlike conventional warfare, attribution is difficult, which complicates retaliation and accountability. In conclusion, cyber warfare represents a new dimension of modern conflicts that demands preparedness, awareness, and strategic planning. It highlights the importance of technology, intelligence, and coordination in safeguarding national interest. Thank you.